Welcome to the world of almonds, where crunch meets nutrition in an incredibly quirky way. These little superstars have been shaking things up with their nutty charm for centuries. Not only do they make you go nuts over their delicious taste, but they also pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. So grab a handful, get ready to crack some nutty jokes, and let's dive into the world of almonds, the ultimate quirky snack. Welcome back to Glow Up. Here are 5 reasons you should be eating more almonds. Let's begin. Number 1. High magnesium content. Almonds are a rich source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in promoting sleep. A study published in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences found that magnesium supplementation improved subjective measures of insomnia, sleep efficiency, sleep time, and sleep onset latency in elderly participants. Number 2. Melatonin production. Melatonin is a hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle. Almonds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that aids in the production of melatonin. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that tryptophan intake increased melatonin levels and improved sleep quality in healthy subjects. Number 3. Almonds promote serotonin production. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that contributes to feelings of well-being and happiness. Almonds contain tryptophan, which is a precursor for serotonin synthesis. Increased serotonin levels can enhance mood and relaxation, leading to better sleep. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychopharmacology found that tryptophan supplementation increased brain serotonin levels and improved sleep quality. Number 4. Blood sugar stabilization. Almonds have a low glycemic index and contain healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Consuming almonds can help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing blood sugar spikes and subsequent hormonal imbalances that may disturb sleep. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a low glycemic diet improved sleep quality in adults with type 2 diabetes. And last on our list is number 5, relaxing effect. Almonds contain several compounds that have a relaxing effect on the body, such as magnesium, vitamin B6, and protein. These nutrients can help calm the nervous system, reducing stress and anxiety, which are common causes of sleep disturbances. A study published in Nutrients found that magnesium supplementation decreased anxiety symptoms in participants with mild to moderate anxiety. If you thought that's all, well, surprise, there's a little more. In the almond-shaped universe of snack choices, almonds are the reigning champions of quirkiness and healthiness. With their crunchy texture and nutty flavor, these little wonders make every mouthful an adventure. But hold on to your taste buds, because the benefit of almonds are about to explode into a whirlwind of awesomeness. If you're still watching this video, well, congrats, because we have a few extra health facts for you. Before we share those awesome facts, hit the subscribe button and share this video with your family and friends to help them out. Almonds are like mini superheroes loaded with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. They come wielding an impressive arsenal of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, which make them a fantastic ally in the battle against hunger cravings and unhealthy snacking monsters. And if you thought that was impressive, hold on to your top hat, because almonds also bring the magic to your brain. Yes, you heard that right. These clever little nuts are like secret agents infiltrating your mind, boosting your cognitive powers, and leaving you feeling sharper than a tack. But that's not all. Almonds have a secret weapon that sends bullets flying through the heart of cardiovascular diseases. These teeny taste bud titans lower bad cholesterol levels and promote a healthy heart, making them the guardians of cardiovascular health. If you still need convincing, look no further than the beauty department. Almonds make your skin glow like a disco ball thanks to their high vitamin E content, so toss aside those expensive creams and embrace the nutty beauty regime. And there you have it. Share this video with your family and friends, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe for more informative health videos.